as we have seen that what is tournament. The various type of tournament are discussed here. One is knockout tournament, another one is league tournament, that is also called Robin round tournament, and hence also called budget tournament. Next is combination tournament, and the fourth one is challenge tournament. So these all type of tournaments are having some kind of subheads. So first we will see the knockout tournament. What is knockout tournament? Knockout tournament. What is knockout tournament? Knockout tournament is the tournament where the participating teams are allowed to play a match at an initial stage, where if that team is winning, they advances to the next level. If the team is losing, they go back to the home. This is knockout tournament. They get only one chance to compete in the tournament, to stay alive in the tournament. At any point of or at any round, if they loses, they go home. So this is knockout tournament. Okay? Now there are some types, that is single elimination tournament, double knockout tournament, seeding tournament, and consolation tournament. First we will see the single elimination tournament. It is said as single elimination tournament, where by the name itself the team gets only single chance whether to advance at the next stage or go home. Elimination means get out of the tournament, and the tournament is there. The single elimination tournament means the players or the teams get only one chance to compete or stay alive in the tournament. Only one match will be a decisive match, whether the team is staying or going back. Now double knockout, where the team gets two chance to have to get the decision whether they are staying in the tournament or going back. Now seeding tournament. This type of tournament includes word seeding, where some teams are allowed to play directly pre-quarterfinals or quarterfinals. They get a kind of a wild card entry till the quarterfinals. The teams are selected on the basis of their past performance. Not any team can come and have the seeding process, avail the facility of seeding. The selective teams who have got name and fame, they can take part in this seeding tournament, or they are allowed only the organizer allowed only those teams who have got name and fame. Why seeding is given? Just to maintain the interest in the speculation and spectators. Suppose the tournament is going on where it is having only it is showing less interest to the spectators, like the tournament between Bangladesh, Kenya, Canada, Hong Kong, Ireland, Nepal. These teams, if they are having tournament, so less spectators will be counted. But if it is announced that 4 teams like India, Australia, England and West Indies are getting seeded directly to play the quarterfinals, then the interest will come alive in the tournament. So this is the process of, or this is the use of giving seedings to those teams to get alive in the tournament, where interest are main thing. Consolation. Now what is consolation tournament? Where all the single elimination, double knockout and the seeding tournament, when it is over, the consolation tournament is organized. Who take parts? Suppose the biggest demerit of knockout tournament is the team gets only one chance to stay alive in the tournament. Suppose the day comes when Canada can defeat Australia, Ireland can defeat India, so the spectators get less chance to show their interest in the whole tournament in single, double or seeding tournament. And the first time on the very first round, if these type of strong teams gets their play is over because of getting defeated by the weak teams, so and they have come a long way to play in that tournament, so some special tournament is organized for them to have the interest in the tournament and so that they do not get demoralized. So consolation means this is not the main tournament, and you can say the friendly tournament is organized between the defeated teams. Okay, now we'll see the fixture of knockout tournament. Okay students, let's see the how the fixtures of knockout tournament is been drawn. First we will see what are the requirements of knockout tournament before drawing the fixture. The requirements are: always the number of teams are divided in two parts, upper half and lower half. The upper half formula will be n plus 1 by 2, where the n is total number of team. Now as you can repeat the things, all the number of teams will be divided in two halves, upper and lower half. The formula for the upper half will be n plus 1 by 2, lower half n minus 1 by 2, where the n will be the total number of team. Okay, now number of boys. Now watch this very carefully because some technicality is there. The number of boys the formula will be power of 2's minus n. N always will be the number of team, as you can see. I have already told. Now we need to see what is power of 2's. Power of 2's are, this is fixed. Okay, this will never change in knockout tournament, so this will be the fixed item. So learn and by heart it. Okay, the power of 2's are 2, its double 4, its double 8, its double 16, double 32, double 64, double 28, or so on. Okay, where the n is number of team, whatever the number of team is. Okay, so learn and by heart it is very important. So the next step will be, after knowing the number of buys, the number of buys in upper half, because we have divided upper half alone and lower half alone. So the number of buys for the upper half will be nb minus 1 by 2, and number of buys for the lower half, because that is also separate. So number of buys in lower half nb plus 1 by 2. We will be calculating in coming form. Okay, where nb is number of buys, the total number of buys which have been calculated here, equal to the number of buys. The number of buys will be written here minus 1 divided by 2. nb number of buys plus 1 divided by 2. That is for the lower half. Now the number of matches in knockout tournament is n minus 1. N always the number of team minus 1. Suppose the number of team is 21, minus 1, 20. So 20 matches will be played in that tournament. That is simple. Okay, and the number of round is calculated on the basis of number of buys. So in the coming fixture, when we are drawing the fixture, when the buys is calculated, we will calculate the number of buys also, number of rounds, sorry. Okay, let's see how to make the fixture of single elimination round. Okay students, let's see how to draw knockout tournaments fixture. First, single elimination tournament. Okay, single elimination tournament where my total number of n is 9, means total number of team is 9. This also means the 9 teams have participated in my tournament which I am organizing. So shall I start? Now let's see. We need to write these things, all the 9